In this video, we are going to take a look at new balance adjustments. This menu is used to forcibly change the accounting balance per account code when it is mismatched with the actual balance. Or we can input the opening balance when newly starting ECOUNT at a given date. This is under Accounting 1, Fast Entry, New Balance Adjustments. When you click on New Balance Adjustment, fill in the date. Set up the date one day before that you wish to have the account set on the reports. For example, if you want the data results to appear as May 1st, then set the date as April 30th. Let us press search. This will show all balance adjustable accounts. Now, before we move on, press Option and press Function Setup. Under Accounts, head on over to Status, where you can manage these balances by department or by project. If you need them, make sure to click on it and apply Input Screen and click Save. Once that's done, make sure to reload the page and update balance. Once you have updated the balance, you can see the Adjust button changed to by customer vendor or by account code. You can click on the by customer vendor button if you wish to change the balance type and summarize it according to department or by project. If your company needs to do it, press it like so and click Save. Now, if you need to change the actual accounts, you can search it for your account here. Once you're ready, click on Adjust. Here, you can adjust balances such as accounts receivable. Now, take a look at book balance, actual balance, and adjusted amount. I will explain one by one. First, the book balance is the balance that is recorded in ECOUNT. This is what we have been putting in. The adjusted amount is the amount adjusted when we put the actual balance in so that it changes the book balance. So the book balance and the adjusted amount are values that we cannot change because it simply calculates it for us. So what we do is we change the actual balance so that it adjusts the book balance for us. For instance, if we switch the accounts of the amount receivable of this vendor to this value, then it changes the book balance to this actual balance by adjusting this amount of money. Once you're done filling out the information, make sure to have the check mark on balance adjustment and hit Save. Furthermore, if you have a lot of data to upload, you can use the ECOUNT Web Uploader feature as well. Now, if you head on over to Accounting 1, Fast Entry, and Balance Count List, this is where you can edit your values or delete them. So click on that value, and if it is a mistake, you can click Delete. Or if you would like to adjust the value and make sure to adjust the balance and click Save. Since I have deleted the value, I'm going to go back to New Balance Adjustment and adjust a new account, Cash on Hand. You can also adjust the balance of unlisted details to 0. This means that any unadjusted balances will be changed to 0. Now, if you go to Accounting 1, Reports, and Ledger 1, you can see that the cash on hand has been forcibly changed to the amount that I have entered. Moving on, if we go to Fast Entry under Accounting 1 and Balance Adjustment List, here you can delete the sheet or you can choose to print it. Take note that you cannot edit the value here, so if you do need to edit it, delete the value here and go to the balance count list to adjust the value. You can also take a look at balance adjustment status and press search and look at it according to your needs, where you can save it as Excel or print or save it as PDF. Lastly, if you go to Accounting 1, Fast Entry and New Balance Adjustment, press Search. Under the All tab, you can see that the type is Accounting and Pre-invoicing. If you click on Pre-invoicing and search, you can see the pre-invoiced receivables and payables list. This means the values listed in Inventory 1 and AR by customer under Sales. As you can see at the AR by customer, by going to the set date, we can see the value over here, which is equal to the value here. So if you would like to adjust the value in the AR by customer, you can go to the New Balance Adjustment and click Adjust. For me, if I would like to adjust the balance of unlisted details to 0, and I will click Save. See the effect that under pre-invoicing, if you go back, that it all turns into 0.